So it takes care of the three main reasons why concrete settled in the first place. And it's so good that you can actually drive a car right over it after 15 minutes, which is pretty amazing. Most other concrete
Yes!
solutions. My name is Victor Rivera, and I am the Arizona Foundation Solutions Sales Manager. So when asked if Polylevel is the right solution for your concrete problems, we get asked a lot of questions. And here's just a few common questions that we get asked that I'll be able to answer for you. What are my options for concrete repair? What is Polylevel? How does Polylevel work? Is Polylevel disruptive? By the end of this video, I'd like to make sure you have a better understanding about Polylevel and how it works, and if this is the right solution for you. What are my options for concrete repair? The first option that comes to mind is concrete removal and replacement, which typically is the most expensive and most disruptive type of repair option. Mud jacking is a messy repair option that just doesn't last. Then we have Polylevel. What is Polylevel? Polylevel is a high-density foam that gets pumped underneath your concrete to stabilize your concrete problem. So Polylevel is the most modern solution for your concrete problems, least expensive and most permanent. How does Polylevel work? First, we come out, core small penny-sized holes through your slab. Injection ports are then connected to the holes that we created. Then poly gets injected under the slab, the foam goes into the void, fills the void, and then chemically reacts to start expanding. Your concrete then starts to lift and stabilize itself. We then fill the holes with grout, which then at that point your job is complete. The poly works so great that you can even drive a car over it within 15 minutes of application. So is doing poly disruptive? As we talked about the three different types of repair options, concrete removal and replacement, mud jacking, and poly, I think you can see that Polylevel is the least disruptive of the choices, but also the most cost effective. So whether you get Polylevel for your home, driveway, walkway, or any uneven surfaces, we think you'll be very happy with the results. Call us today and let's see if Polylevel is the right solution for your concrete. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that we can help you with poly as your solution for your concrete problem. And guys, to see a video of Polylevel in action, check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching.